every person entertains some kinds of ambition. Certainly, when we refer to the Buddha, he too had an ambition that was implanted in his mind long ago. He continued to develop that ambition life after life until he achieved what he wanted. The ambition is best described as an aspiration. When we read the Buddha's discourses, we can understand how he had worked to reach the goal he aspired to. Great teachings like the proper conduct, acts of kindness, and charity are the few examples that are being practiced. When we compare our ambition with the Buddha's aspiration, we can see a vast differences. This is because our ambition is primarily based on desire and anxiety bound to worldly pleasure. On the other hand, Buddha's aspiration is to be free from selfishness in order to serve others. What we should constantly strive to do is to develop the higher kind of ambition by working very hard to obtain freedom, happiness, and liberation from our existing worldly problems. This ambition is harmless and reasonable. However, this is not the final goal. We must not be satisfied with this temporarily mundane ambition. Our ultimate goal should be freedom from suffering, nirvana, where all ambitions cease and the reality of existence is seen.